Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So Libra, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. 8 of Swords. Libra, with this card I feel that you are stuck in your own comfort zone. You are stuck in your own notions. Okay, you have thought that you cannot move from this certain place, certain relationship, certain situation, certain energy. Okay, and you are being very fearful, very fearful. Perhaps you have accepted this comfort zone. Perhaps you have given up against the odd situations in life, and now you are waiting to die. Okay, or perhaps you are being so fearful in life that you feel that the moment I'll be out from this comfort zone or from the situation, the whole world will be against me. Okay, but you need to be rest assured that nobody is going to think about you. Nobody is going to judge you for whatever actions you are going to take towards your life. All right, so please don't be afraid and just be out from this comfort zone, be out from this negative energy. This is your partner's current energy, Page of Wands. Okay, your person seems like they are up to something. Okay, they want to take some actions, but they are taking their own time to take action. Okay, they have resources, they have knowledge, they have wisdom, they have everything, but something is there which stops them. And it is not that somebody else is stopping them. It is just that they feel that they are not ready right now. Okay, so they just want to make sure that the moment they start working towards it, they get the results. They should get the results quickly. So at this point of time, they want to take action, but again the same thing, they are doing their homework. Now let's see what you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you guys can take towards each other. What you think about them, what actions you can take towards them, what they think about you, and what actions they can take towards you. All right. So Libra, the moment you see this person, you feel that this person is so blessed that they can, be out and roam around here and there. Okay, this person is somebody who can, do whatever they want to do, go wherever they want to go. But on the other hand, you also feel the same thing, that why this person is not, losing up, why this person is not freeing themselves. Because you also know this thing, that they are abide by some of their responsibilities, they are abide by some of their preconceived notions, which are not giving them the full liberty, which are not allowing them to take their decisions, to lead their life on their own terms. Alright, now let's see what actions you can take towards them. Aloneness. Alright, so Libra people, it seems like you are wandering here and there in the world. You do not know where you should go, to whom you should talk. You are completely clueless about life. Alright, and you are just going somewhere in dark. Okay, and perhaps you must be feeling so alone at this point of time, that you feel that nobody is here to listen to me, nobody is here to understand my situation. And whenever you want to trust somebody, whenever you want to tell your problems, whenever you want to share your concerns with somebody else, the moment you start talking about yourself, the other person don't give you any kind of interest, that I don't want to listen to your things. Alright, so at that point of time, you again come back into your aloneness. All right. So right now, when it comes to taking action for your person, no actions from your side. Okay. Now let's see what they think about you. Compromise. Alright, so Libra, your person sees you as somebody who is compromising on every stage of life, every path of life. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody, you are being with some people who are not good for your mental health, or for your financial health, or for your overall growth. Okay, so considering that fact in mind, your person sees you that you are someone who compromise a lot on your own happiness. All right. Now let's see what actions they can take towards you. Transformation. Perhaps this person is going through some kind of a transformation, or perhaps they want to transform their own mindset so that they can take action towards you, because you are nowhere is taking any action towards this person. Perhaps this is the only reason they are, doing their own homework, how to reach towards you, how to talk to you, how to take action towards you. Perhaps they are doing this homework just for you. Okay, so perhaps so most probably they are going through some kind of a transformation, and if not, so there will be a transformation for them. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What is the angels' advice for you? Not the right time. Yes, Libra, perhaps this is not the right time for you to do anything for this towards this person, because you are stuck somewhere in life. First you need to free yourself from these swords. First you need to get some clarity in life. Only you are advisable to move ahead towards this person. Otherwise, until you are not moving from here, how can you reach somewhere? Okay, alright. So Libra, in this reading, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with that too. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also there in this reading. Alright. So Libra people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.